Let's begin by referencing the typical GSDML file, which can be accessed at balluff.com and is available for download under the BNI00K6 software section. The GSDML file is already being utilized to import Balluff IO Link products into your project. For added convenience, the latest Balluff Engineering Tool installation introduces a new custom GSDML feature, enabling users to seamlessly integrate custom products into their hardware catalog. As demonstrated below, this preloaded hardware catalog is already included in the standard GSDML file, providing an initial foundation for configuring and managing Balluff products within your project. Let's utilize the Balluff Engineering Tool, BET, to add IO Link devices to our hardware catalog. To incorporate IODD files into your project, proceed by clicking on Edit Topology, and then selecting the Import Device button located in the lower left corner. Find the locations of the IODD files for the specific devices you wish to import into your project. After the import is successful, select Finish. To verify the IODDs have been imported, conduct a quick search. Switch back to Main View, and then choose the GSDML Composer. Inside of the Composer, click on Add Module. Choose the block that you will be working with and upload the OEM GSDML file. Once the OEM GSDML file is loaded, we need to create an extended device catalog. If no list is created, select Add List. Create the title of the device catalog that will be imported into your project. Select Next and begin adding the IO Link devices to your newly named device catalog. We will add the devices that we imported as well as an 8-port analog hub, 2 power supplies, 2 3-axis vibration and condition monitoring sensors, expandable hubs with up to 30 points of I/O, as well as a 5-segment smart light with a 96 decibel buzzer. On the next screen, you can select the parameters that you want to import for use in your project. By default, all process data is selected. A nice feature of this tool is the ability to set the parameters for the IO Link devices inside of your device catalog. In this case, we can change the BNI00AJ/S analog port modes. You can see the default settings to the right and all available modes in each port's drop-down menu. Complete this page by selecting Next until all of your device's parameters are set. Now you will see your newly created catalog when you select Configure GSDML files located at the top left. Verify that the device catalog is attached to the OEM GSDML file. Select the Export GSDML file icon at the far right. Once agreed to select Understood, select your desired file location for your TIA project. Now it's time to import your newly created GSDML file containing the custom device catalog. Use the GSDML import tool. By selecting the options menu in TIA, select the 3 dots at the right side of the window to browse to your new GSDML. Select the folder containing your GSDML files and select all files that you wish to import. After importing, the device catalog will be updated. Find the block under the hardware catalog, other field devices, Profinet IO, Balluff networking, and select the block that you recently imported. Name the block and delete the port deactivated slots in the device overview. Simply double-click in the order of the ports on the block, which is detailed under the slot column. Let's confirm that our parameter alterations have been implemented. The BNI00AJ has the correct settings. One last thing to check, the 3-axis vibration, contact temperature, humidity, and pressure sensor to ensure it is in environmental mode versus the default settings in vibration velocity mode. Everything has been imported.